In this video tutorial, we will see about hosting a website in GitHub. So there are many other free platforms are available for hosting a website. So now we will see how to host a website in GitHub. So to do that, we need a sample website code. So here is my sample website code. Right. So I have the index page, which is my home page, and then the other components of my website, right? So this is a prerequisite. So once your website code is ready, so we can log into GitHub. So if you are a first time user to GitHub, so you can sign up by creating an account. Since it isn't free, you can create your own account in GitHub. So in my case, I already have an account. I have logged into GitHub, so github.com. So once you have logged in, here in the right hand side top corner, you can see a plus button. So which indicates you can create a new repository, import a repository, right? So out of which we are going to select a new repository. Repository in the sense, so here we are going to create a folder for you inside your own account, right? So now I am creating a repository. So here you need to specify the repository name. So here let me give the name as my website, right? So I have given the name of my website, name of repository as my website. So let it be public. Again here we need to add the readme file, right? So just add the readme file and then give create repository. So once you have clicked the button create repository, your repository has been created. Here you can see, so this is my main repository under which I have created my website repository, right? So here inside this repository, what we need to do, we need to add all our website files, right? So now I am choosing the option upload. Okay, so under here you can see add files, under which I am choosing upload files. So here instead of choosing the file, the best way is to drag and drop the files. See here, if you are choosing a file individually, it will be uploaded again. So these are all the folders which is required for this website. It should be in the same folder name, right? So that is a constraint in website. See, for example, images, all my images for this website will be given in this folder, and then inside the code I have given the path as under images folder the image name. So that is how it is specified. So we need to give in the same folder name. So for that, choose all the files which you want to send and then just drag and drop. So this is the best way of choosing the files. Again, if you choose individually, right? So the file alone, it will be coming. The folders you can't able to take directly, right? So once the upload completed, right? Once the upload has been completed, so here in GitHub, whatever the change that we are doing, right? So after doing the change, we need to give the version of the change, that is commit changes. So here we need to give the name for that and then description and then give commit changes. So in case if you want to revoke the changes, right? So here there is an option to revoke it, right? So based on the name we can revoke it. So now all my files has been uploaded successfully. Now I am going to give commit changes, right? So once you have given commit changes, you can see all the files are in your directory or the repository which you have created over here, right? Okay, so it will take a while for loading all the files in the repository. Now it has been loaded here. So once you files are loaded, right? So here in the main menu option, here you can see the option called settings. So just click settings. So here in the vertical menu, you can again find the other menu called pages, right? Click on pages. So we'll be landing to a page like this, right? So here under the branch, right? So instead of none, we need to choose main because all our website folders are there in the main folder, so under the root, right? So once you chose the main, so we need to save it. So once you have saved successfully, right, so GitHub will start loading your page, and then GitHub will detect the page, and then it will provide you the URL for the particular page which is there in that particular directory, right? So now we have loaded to my website directory. So inside that my website directory, GitHub will load the index file, and then it will give you the URL. So normally it will take 1 or 2 months. So we will wait and then see the results over here. So here you can see the URL for your website. Yeah. So here you can see my website has been loaded, right? So here the URL has been generated. So this is the URL for our website. Just copy this, and then you can put it back, and then we can check the website is working or not. Yeah, the website is loading. Yeah, here we go. So the website has been hosted successfully. So this is our URL. So you can use this URL as your website URL. Yeah, thank you.